Thanks a lot, Ashwin and Jesse, and Gaia, Source, Shan, Nicola, Anna, the entire Gaia team, and all of you guys for making it here.
Role-playing game Dungeons and Dragons has borrowed heavily from which popular high fantasy novel series? Anyone can write the answer. Type it in the chat box. Drama for 100,000. Here we go. To be or not to be is a line said by which famous character? This should be quick, people. Hamilton is incorrect. Shakespeare is also Hamlet. Thank you, Kyle. Thank you. It was Hamlet, not Hamilton. Prince Hamlet. Written by Shakespeare, said by the character Hamlet. Chuck Norris is also. It's okay, Avantika. It's okay.